digital documentation, which is basically based on the LibreOffice Writer. So let's start. The first thing is now we have to know how to launch that document. So the steps are as follows. First, you need to go to the Start button, click onto the All Programs, LibreOffice Writer 6.2, and then LibreOffice Writer. When we would be opening, the first thing is to know that how many modes are being present in this document. For entering any sort of data in LibreOffice Writer, we have to we have two modes, that is the insert mode and the overwrite mode. In this insert mode, it is a default mode, and whatever we would be entering, it would be directly entered as usual. But in overwrite mode, as the name suggests, in overwrite mode, if we would be writing something that would be replaced what we have written earlier. Let us see in our demo. So this is how our LibreOffice Writer window looks like. Over here we have the title bar, next to it we have the menu bar, and here is the slide bar. Then there are the tools. This is what is the standard toolbar, and then this is a status bar, and this blank area, this is insert mode, and if we gonna click it, it would come as override mode. So let us see a demo for an insert mode and override mode. So guys, this is our insert mode, which is just the simple one. And if I would enter anything over here, this would be like default one for whatever we are entering. Now if I would use an override mode over here, and just like you could see, this I has been highlighted, and if I would be entering R over here, so I would be replaced by R. So this is what is overwrite mode. This replaces the letter which has been written earlier by the new letter which you are going to write right now. So these were the two modes, that is the insert mode and the overwrite mode. Let's move further. So after knowing the types of the mode, let us come to the view or types of views. Next comes the types of the views. Writer has three ways to view and edit a document. The first comes the normal view, which is the default view of the LibreOffice Writer. The next is the web view. It shows how the document look like when seen in a web browser. It is useful for the HTML documents. The next comes the full screen view, that is, it shows the document in full screen. The shortcut key which is being used is the Control plus Shift plus J to enter or exit the full screen view. So now the next topic, which is moving through the document quickly. See over here I have 4 pages in my document, and suppose I wanted to move in the third page, but I don't want to scroll this. Over here I'm only having 4 pages, but if suppose I would be having 140 pages and I have to reach to the 50th page, so that would be quite difficult for me to scroll down and just reach to that. So for that I would be using Navigator. So what is that Navigator? Navigator is something which would help you to find out that page. Now how we could reach to Navigator? There are many various ways to reach there. First of all is this three dot which has been available over here. I would just click over here, and you could just see Navigator. just click over here, choose the category you want. I want page, so I'm just choosing page. And which page you wanted to choose, you could choose like this, like suppose 4 or 3, on depends on you. Now the next way is to click F5 from your keyboard, and you could see this navigator menu once again, and you could again choose the category you want and the number. So by this also we could do, we could find the things. And the other way, one more way is here, that is view. And then after view you have to go to navigator. Now in the navigator again this menu would be open. So there are three ways to reach to this navigator, and through this we could find out the page, or we could move quickly through our document. So this was the introduction session for the LibreOffice Writer or the digital documentation. For getting the notification for the further sessions, do subscribe my channel. If you like this session, please hit the like button and comment down below all your doubts. Also comment down that how was this session today. Thank you.